Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add animation to your text template on CapCut PC. So go to text here and you can just select text template, and some of them already is animated, but some of them isn't. Like this one's animated and there's other like animated stuff, but there's also some that isn't animated. Like this one I think isn't animated, this lovely cat one. Oh well, it is animated, but for instance you want to add more animations to it, try to find one that isn't that animated. Okay, this one isn't super animated, so I'm just going to type in sparkly, and I'm also going to change the font. You can change the font of text templates, just saying. And then once you're done with that, as you can see, there's an animation tab. You're just going to right click on it, create compound clip, and then you can go to animation and start adding any animations that you want to the text to just make it cooler, I guess. I don't know. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!